The world is fast. Our attention is pulled in many directions. Staying productive can feel impossible. We've all been there. Deadlines loom, distractions beckon, we feel overwhelmed, stress mounts. We know we should focus. But something always gets in the way. Our phones, the internet, our own thoughts. It's time to take back control. Let's explore how artificial intelligence can help. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, it's here to help us, even with everyday tasks. AI can boost our productivity in surprising ways. Imagine AI that manages your schedule, prioritizes emails, and even helps you stay focused. This isn't a dream, it's possible now. AI tools learn your habits and preferences. They adapt to your unique work style. No more one-size-fits-all solutions. With AI you can work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into the specific challenges AI can help us overcome. We all face productivity roadblocks. Time management is a major one. How much time do we waste on unimportant tasks? The answer is often too much. Studies show we spend hours each day on distractions like social media. Emails and meetings also eat up valuable time. This leaves less time for what truly matters. AI tools come to the rescue. They can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your mental energy. Imagine AI scheduling your meetings and responding to routine emails. AI can also help you prioritize tasks based on importance. This ensures you focus on what moves the needle, not just what's urgent. Many AI tools are available today. RescueTime tracks your digital activity, revealing hidden time sinks. Trello uses AI to streamline project management and collaboration. Email Hero helps you conquer your inbox by prioritizing emails and even automating replies. Focus at Will uses AI to curate music designed to improve focus and concentration. The results speak for themselves. People who use AI productivity tools report significant improvements. They get more done in less time. They feel more in control. Imagine feeling calmer and more accomplished at the end of each day. That's the power of AI for productivity. Take the first step towards reclaiming your time and attention. The future of productivity is here.